Hey, my name is Max and this is my F80 M3.
Hey guys, welcome to Rush Customs. My name is Mateen Ascari. I'm the performance specialist over here at Rush Customs Atlanta, and we'll be installing the Active Autowerks Equal Length Midpipe today. So as we all know, the F80 M3 has been an overall amazing car. Great performance, great handling. However, the biggest issue it's always had, and it still has it going on today, is the sound. They tried to improve it when they brought out the competition version, but it still wasn't as good. There's memes about the car sounding like a cow or a lawnmower, and a lot of people have always made fun of the sound of the F80 M3. So what is the solution? Well, Active Autowerks has created a equal length midpipe for the F80 M3, the F82 M4, and the M2 competition. And for the first time, the F80 M3 sounded the way it should sound from the factory. So now we're going to go ahead and go to the installation of the Active Autowerks equal length midpipe. Alright you guys, as you can see, here we have a stock F80 M3 midpipe. Very different compared to the Active Autowerks equal length midpipe. A lot of differences, a lot of changes. That Active has done a lot of R&D into making this sound perfect. Now, Active does offer two different variations of this equal length midpipe. They have a non-resonated, as you see that we have right here, and a resonated. Now the difference for that, if you're planning on doing downpipes on the vehicle, Active recommends to do the resonated version. Because it does get kind of loud, and if you're planning on keeping stock downpipes like our customer over here Max is, we are doing the non-resonated version. Now that we have the stock midpipe drop, we're going to go ahead and get started on the equal length midpipe installation.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Dude, that sounds amazing.
All right, here we go.
So there you have it, the Active Autowerks equal length mid-pipe. What'd you think, Max?
I love it, man. Night and day difference. Definitely the first mod you need to get on your F80.
All right, man, if you guys have any questions, give us a call. I want to give a big shout out to Active Autowerks for actually making something to make these cars sound great. Have a good day. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys to make your decisions for the mid-pipe. If you guys ever have any questions, or if you guys are ever looking for any type of performance or cosmetic mods, please come to rushcustoms.com. If you have any questions, just give us a call at the shop, and have a good day.